Hello, my YouTube friends. We all started out on YouTube making mistakes. It happens. We just need someone who's already made all the mistakes to kind of guide us in the right direction. So if you want to live stream on YouTube, I want to kind of help you avoid making all the mistakes that I've made. And there's been a lot of them, trust me. So let's get to it. If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks that can help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. If you've watched any of my other content, you probably know I'm a pretty positive dude. So it makes no sense to me to tell you all the things you're doing wrong without telling you what you should be doing. And you're gonna see in most cases, you're probably not too far off the right path. You just need someone to help you a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. The first thing you should be doing is planning your streams so you aren't sitting there without anything to entertain your audience. The goal is to talk about things in your niche and interact with your audience. In order to do that, you need to plan out your topics of discussion. What you absolutely shouldn't do is have any expectation that you'll have an audience at all. It's not YouTube's job to give you an audience. YouTube wants to provide entertainment that keeps people on the platform. It's your job to provide entertainment to keep people watching. Plan your stream and entertain the folks that do come by. Keep them entertained as long as possible and you're going to gain an audience. Plus, YouTube will be glad and they're going to help you. Next, you definitely want to pick topics that help you grow. Your niche has to have subjects that people are talking about, no matter what it is. Be sure to center your live stream around this sort of topic. And along those lines, you don't want to get off track too far. Stay on topic as much as possible. Your audience is showing up to discuss your topic and get your take on it. And if they show up and your discussion is not what they expected, then they're going to find something else to watch. Keep in mind that your niche is what people clicked on to see, so be content disciplined. And this is number 3. Do live stream to meet your audience who watch your content. You want to connect with them and form a stronger community. On the other hand, do not expect your live stream to grow your channel. Outside of being a game streamer, live content should be an accent to your pre-recorded video strategy. You want people who watch your videos to have a better sense of community through your live streams, but the focus to grow your channel should be your pre-recorded content. Next, you definitely do want to take fun parts of your live stream that offer value to your audience and edit that into a standalone video. This is beneficial in 2 ways. It helps to show folks who watch your channel that your live streams are all kinds of fun, and it also creates more searchable content for your channel. Do not expect your live streams to drive views to your channel once they're completed. The fun of a live stream is that you get to interact with the host. Most of them are over an hour long, and it's truly rare that these things have any legs after you're finished broadcasting. Next, you should absolutely use multiple platforms to promote your live stream. Be sure to post your live streaming links on Twitter and Facebook or Instagram to drive traffic to your broadcast. But do not use multi-streaming apps like Restream.io and Caster.io to broadcast your streams to multiple platforms. I know you're thinking, why would I not want to reach more people by streaming to everywhere at once? The answer is really simple. It's really hard to grow an audience, and you only complicate that when you have multiple platforms with multiple chats in different locations. Focus on growing your YouTube audience and use other platforms to promote those broadcasts. It will get you much better and more satisfying results. This next one's probably going to make you feel a little uncomfortable, and we all start there, so you'll get used to it. But you do want to remind folks to like and subscribe during your live streams. People do forget, and a gentle reminder of why there is a benefit to subscribing by pointing out how awesome your community is, or previewing a series they're absolutely gonna love, is a great way to just mention those benefits. On the other hand, do not beg for it. You don't want subscribers who aren't interested in your content. Making someone feel sorry for you or obligated in some way to subscribe won't ever lead to more views. And dead subscribers who don't watch your content are really no good to you. In fact, they're actually bad for your overall channel health. This is a really big one. Do make a regular schedule to stream and stick to it. This lets your audience know when they can expect to be able to interact with you and they look forward to it. On the other hand, do not stream every day as a way to gain your 4,000 watch hours. By doing this, you're actually hurting your standalone content, because you're gonna end up with a bunch of people that just come for your streams and don't watch your videos. You definitely want your audience to be video viewers who wanna interact once in a while, not live stream junkies who don't watch your videos. Remember, live streaming is not a growth strategy that will ever work for most non-gaming channels. This next one's a good one. Do buy equipment that help to make your live stream better and more entertaining for your audience. Better sound or better lighting are all inexpensive ways to make a really big difference. On the other hand, we're all human, and you don't want to be distracted by shiny objects. Don't go and spend money on products that don't make the stream better or more entertaining. If you just want something because it's cool or it makes life easier, ask yourself first, is there something I should upgrade in my equipment that's going to make the stream better for the viewers? If not, then sure, buy the nice to have item, but this should not be where the upgrades go while there's still things to improve on the stream for your viewer. You absolutely want to try to add fun segments to your live stream that add diversity of looks and formatting to your broadcast. This can be a catch-22, however, so do not overcomplicate things any more than necessary. I talk all the time about different things that you can do to add flair to your live stream, but each different thing adds complexity. The stream is no fun for viewers if you're constantly trying to get one thing to work properly. So test everything beforehand, and if something doesn't work or adds too much complexity to your broadcast, don't use it until you figure out how to make it work right, or scrap it all together. It's all about the viewer experience at the end of the day. Do try to build a sense of community with your live streams by creating fun and engaging ways for your audience to participate. You can do this with fun chat rituals when an alert is triggered, or goofy soundboard audio during different segments. But this is a big one. Don't ever engage in sub for sub in any way to build a community. This does more harm than good, and I can tell you why right here if you check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.